One of my favorite things for asynchronous classes is something called a workshop. I have so many workshop boards to choose from that I just keep remaking over and over and over. I have a little timer up here in the corner that the kids can press play to know that they have 9 minutes for each station. And each station, I give them points or somewhat of an assessment to kind of judge what they've been doing. I love using Nearpod, GimKits, and sometimes IXLs on my workshop. What I would do is I would find a Nearpod that works for learning about the terracotta warriors, and I create a student-paced lesson. I would choose the student-paced lesson, and then I would find a link, and I would copy that link and put it on my workshop board so that the students know that they have to do that Nearpod activity for their workshop today. And then sometimes I make sure they know what the Nearpod is about. I forgot to spell terracotta correctly. All right. After I do that, I go ahead and find another activity that I want them to do. I also have created a direct objects GimKit. And what's awesome is with GimKit, you can assign these homework type of lessons. And so you would hit homework for the lesson. Sometimes you can send them directly to Google Classroom, but I also like for them to pick a due date that's pretty far away. I make them hit a target amount of cash, usually around 50,000 is pretty good. I go to my advanced options. I only want them to spend 9 minutes on it, so I make sure that it's the max time. And then I hit create assignment. What you're going to do is you're going to get a link. You copy that link. You take it over to your teacher workshop board. You highlight. You edit the link. And now the students have this game, paste and apply this game on their workshop boards. And they'll know that it's for direct objects. Now what I do is I take this assignment and I put it into each of my workshop boards. I have my students split into blue groups and red groups and orange groups. And now they know what they're going to be doing when they come to class today. I do this in person and online over Zoom at the same time. And then I can always get reports from my assignments by hitting results. And I can see what my students completed. And I can do the same for my Nearpod lessons. I can look at the results of their assignments by clicking the 3 dots and hitting hitting reports. And that's an awesome way to reach your at-home learners and in-class learners at the same time and doing the same activities.